Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this device here, because this is the INAE Peak USB-C tester meter. It is an universal serial bus meter with a display. You can measure from 0 up to 12 ampere current and 4 up to 30 voltage, and from 0 up to 360 watt power. It's a Type C current meter and USB power meter for mobile phone, for computer, for charging tracer, for charger detection as well. The USB-C tester is equipped with a high current connection of a maximum of 12 ampere for more stability. The measurement current is from 0 up to 12 ampere. The measuring voltage is from 4 volt up to 30 volt. It is suitable for electronic devices with a Type-C charging interface. It is equipped with a bidirectional, you see that right, bidirectional current test function to give us a visible charging experience. And we can set the time of the curved side from 5 minutes to 50 minutes and 60 minutes, and 2 hours, by long pressing the button to monitor the real-time voltage and current. In addition, the voltage and the current of each cell are automatically adjusted to the actual value. By clicking the button, we can also switch the display interface and change the display direction by double-click the button. So we can then freely switch between these 3 display modes. And this USB-C tester has a 1.06 inches. That's a small but powerful dimension for such a device. It's nice P-color HD display with a high resolution and clarity. Different test data are displayed in the different colors so that we can see that data is clear and easy. It can display the voltage, the current, the power, the capacity, and the energy time. The maximum voltage, the maximum current, the maximum power, the current direction, and the CPU temperature. It supports a lot of USB standards or protocols. The USB PD 2.0, PD 3.0, QC 2.0, QC 3.0, the PPS, the FCP, the SCP, the AFC, the PE, the Dash, the VOOC, and the Super VOOC. The other charging protocols are not currently supported, but you hear that was a lot of protocols with this USB-C multifunctional tester for power, voltage, current, and capacity, and the charging curve KWS2303C can handle that all. There are buttons on the backside of the product that can be clicked to change the display page. We double-click the button to change the display direction. We press and hold it for about 3 seconds to clear the recorded timing, the capacity, and the power. We long press the button on the curved page to change the curved line time. The time difference is 5 minutes per page, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 2 hours for kinds of range. And of course, the product can be plugged into it, and the power supply will become because of the AC adapter, for example. And this is possible, and this makes a direct start of the measurement. And then you can, of course, by using the one button operation, to make a good and easy operation thing behind that, because it's easy, of course. We have the voltage from 4 up to 30 volt, the power, the capacity, a timing from 0 up to 99 hours, record the maximum power recorder the maximum voltage at a single point, a CPU temperature, the page curve time, we have a current per thou, the current per 1 up to 12 ampere, the data interface voltage, electricity from O up to a lot of the watt hour, the current detection indicator, we have the direction of the current, the voltage per thou. So you can see a lot of information are possible on that small screen. And a lot of functions are possible because of one button operation. Because we can easily test and we can mark this 10 ampere and 120 watt, and the value tested by this product is in real time. So we charging the parameters during the charging process, and the marked on the charger and the maximum power apparent of that product can be shown with that tester. So if you like to test your current AC adapter or your delivering of power, this device here is the right. This is the INEAEP USB-C multifunction tester. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun. Yeah.